Are you ready? Alright. I'm going to be singing the chorus of a song that's dear to my heart. Waiting on a midnight train. Waiting on a midnight train. Some on this train. Carries me away to a place.
My baby's gone.
My baby's gone, and she ain't coming back. 'Cause I ran over with a midnight train.
You laid her on the tracks.
Later on this track, and I'm waiting on a midnight train. Waiting on a midnight train. Try to make that cool noise. Waiting on a midnight train. Wait, I'm gonna start off from the beginning. When I was 13, my mama said to me, son, don't...
You're getting married at 13? Maybe it's 23.
23, my mama said to me, son, don't you marry that girl. She's running around with all the boys in town, and she's a whore. I don't know it.
I don't think those are the words.